evening, ma'am. This is our Building Personal Resilience mini vlog.
What is your one challenging experience you have overcome in the past year?
The challenging I have experienced in the past year dealing with my personal health issues that required significant lifestyle changes and supporting my family member through difficult time.
What personal qualities or strategies help you get through it?
The personal qualities or strategies that help me get through it is my optimism and ability to find the silver lining in tough situations.
What did you learn about myself during the time?
I learned about myself during that time is I learned that I am stronger and more resilient that I thought than I thought.
What are the current sources of stress in your life?
The current sources of stress in my life is financial instability or debt.
What support or strategies might help me cope better?
The strategies might help me to cope better is creating a budget and tracking my spending to reduce financial stress. How about you? What is one challenging experience you'll have overcome in the past year?
The challenging experience that I have past year is dealing with a difficult project at work with a tight deadline.
What personal qualities or strategies help you get through it?
The personal qualities or strategies help me is my determination, time management skills, and ability to stay calm under the pressure help me success.
What did you learn about yourself during that time?
I learned that I am more capable than I thought and that I can handle high stress situation effectively.
What is the current sources of stress in life?
The current sources stress in my life is workload, financial concern, and maintaining a health work-life balance.
What support or strategies might help you to cope better?
The support or strategies help me better is regular exercise, determination, seeking advice from mentors, and seeking realistic goals.
And that's all. Thank you for watching.